Hello, 4th and 5th grade scholars. Checking in for another episode of Quarantine Math. Remember, I told you that we would do another cube lesson this week. CUBE, how we solve multi-step word problems or single-step word problems. It's just how we approach all word problems. Now remember, the C stands for circling the numbers, U, underlining the question, B, boxing in the math terms, and E, explain what you're doing. It'll help you make sure that what you're doing makes sense. So I'm going to start by reading the problem, and then I will follow my cube method, my cube strategy. Drew has 58 pieces of candy. He gives 17 pieces to Charlie. He gives 14 pieces of candy to James. How much candy does he have left? Okay, so I'm going to go back and look for the numbers. So I see 58 pieces, I see 17 pieces, and 14 pieces. Those are all of my numbers in the problem. Next, I'm going to underline the question. It says, how much candy does he have left? Okay. That's what we're trying to solve for. Next, I'm going to box in the math terms. The word left tells me I'm going to use subtraction. I'm taking something away. Okay, so let's find out what we have to do. Let's see, I'm going to try to explain it. It says he starts with 58 pieces. He gives away 17 to Charlie, 14 to James. How much does he have left? Now, there are two ways to approach this. I could do repeated subtraction, or I could do addition and then subtraction. So I'm going to show you both ways. So let's start with just subtraction. So I'm going to take my total, the amount he starts with, and I'm going to subtract the 17 pieces he gives to Charlie. I'm going to line up my place value, the ones column, the tens column. 8, take away 7. Okay, if you need them, make those dashes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And cross off 7 of them. I have 1 left. 5 take away 1, 4. Okay, so how much he has left? No, because he also gave some candy to James. Now I'm going to take my 41 and I'm going to subtract the 14. Remember to keep my numbers lined up. All right, 1 minus 4. Well, guess what? I can't do that. Got to regroup. I'm going to go to my tens. I'm going to take away one group of 10, so I only have 3 tens left. And I'm going to take 10 and add them to the one I have, which gives me 11. Okay, 11 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Leaves me with 7. Can't forget to do my tens place. 3 minus 1. 2. 27 pieces. Now remember I told you there were 2 ways you could solve this. I could, instead of doing 2 subtractions, I could do an addition first and then a subtraction. So I'm going to start by taking the 2 pieces that he gave away. 14 plus 17 to find out how many he gave away altogether. 4 plus 7 is 11. Place my 1, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. 31. That's how many pieces of candy he gave away. Now I'm going to take my 58 minus 31. 8 minus 1 is 7. 5 minus 3 is 2. 27 pieces. I have circled my numbers, underlined the question, boxed in the math terms, and explained what I did. Okay, let's try one more. Lane picked 47 roses and 35 sunflowers for her mom. On her way home, she dropped 22 flowers. How many flowers does she still have? Okay, we'll start by circling in the numbers. 47, 35, 22. So let's take a look at the math. Oh, sorry, let's underline our question. How many flowers does she still have? Okay, she still has. Math terms. All right, and when I see the word and, I know I'm going to add. She is dropping something. That's her losing them. So she's going to take away some amount. This amount is 22. And how many flowers does she still have? Lets me know that like something left. Something is left. Okay, this idea of being still have minus. So let's take a look. I know I need to add the number of roses and sunflowers together and then subtract the number of flowers she drops to see how many she still has. So 47 plus 35. 7 plus 5 is 12. Place down my 2, carry my 1. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 3 is 8. Not done though, because I have to subtract what she dropped. 82 minus 22. 2 take away 2 is 0. 8 take away 2 is 6. 60 flowers. Okay, let's take a look. Does that make sense? I added together the number of flowers that she found. She got 47 flowers, 35 sunflowers. I was careful when I added up my place values, starting always, always, always in the ones place. And then I subtracted the amount she lost to find how many she still has. Keep checking Google Classroom for opportunities to use these strategies.